Hello everybody, welcome back to another video about Feg Token. What surprise chain is open the Feg Token, guys. Let me show you. But before starting this video, please, I want to request all of you to please click the subscribe button for more news and updates videos. Feg Token is now positive coin in the market, and a lot of people are going to invest in a Feg Token, so that's really good news for all of you. But guys, you know what, the latest situation, the latest price update of the Feg Token is going wrong. That's why now a lot of people are going to sell. Negative 2.76% the price decrease in the last 24 hours, and 0.00003562 USD dollar. That is the currently live price of the Feg Token in the market. So guys, now only the latest situation is going wrong. The previous situation is still positive. Last 1 week chain is positive. So guys, does not mean that you decide to sell, because the market doesn't depend on the last 1 day, 1 hour. No. My friends, absolutely possibility that the price falls down for 1 week, for 1 day, but does not mean that you decide to sell. No, never decide to sell. Just to hold, guys. Absolutely every coin falls down, so yeah, it's not mean that you decide to sell. Just hold. Anyways, what do you think? What is your opinion? What is your price prediction about Feg Token? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates videos.